That's it right there, T-Man.
Lil Pump, yeah. Gucci gang, oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. Yeah. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. Yeah. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Ooh. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. Yeah, I can't buy no bitch no wetter rain. Ooh, rather go and buy ball mains. Ayy, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My lean cost more than your rent. Ooh, your mama still live in the tent. Yeah, still slanging dope in the jets. Huh? Me and my grandma take meds. Ooh, none of this shit be new to me. Nope. Fuck with my teacher called tutory. Yeah. Bought some red bars, cost hella G's. Fuck your airline, fuck your company. Fuck it. Bitch, your breath smell like some cigarettes. I'd rather fuck a bitch from the projects. Yeah. They kick me out the plane off perk set. Now Lil Pump flying private jet. Yeah. Everybody scream for WestJet. Fuck em. Lil Pump still stuck that meth. Yeah. 100 on wrist, sippin' on tag. Fuck a little bitch, make a pussy wet. What? Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. Yeah, I can't buy no bitch no wetter rain. Ooh, rather go and buy ball mains. Ayy, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Can't keep my dick in my pants. Ay, my bitch don't love me no more. Ay, she kick me out on life, bro. Ay, that bitch don't wanna be friends. Ay, I give her dick, she a man. Ay, she put her 10 on my dick. Ay, look at my wrist about 10. Ay, just got a pound of the booth. Ay, bought that shit straight to the booth. Ay, tell me my health is a foos. Ay, she said one fuck, bitch, I do. Ay, you put a gun on my mans. Ay, I put a hole in your parents. Ay, I just got lean on my zoomies. Ay, I got a Uzi, no Uzi. Fuck on me, look at me. Ay, fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, look at me. Yeah, look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, look at me, fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, fuck on me, yeah. Hey. Tell you fuck nigga put me up, pipe up. Hey, shouts out Benz and up. Got a throat, fuck, I like a rocket, I'm misfit. My emo bitch like a wrist slit. Curly hair bitch like I'm born big. Got like 3 bitches, I'm more man. Skid on your man, bitch, it's for head. Don't want your pussy, just want head. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, yeah. Hey, look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, yeah. Look at me, fuck on me. Look at me, fuck on me.
Everybody say they know me, man. You don't know me, man. Fall back, you don't know me. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now them niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now the niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me. Made money off crack cocaine. Oh man, I learned that from my OG. On Augusta, drive past the church. Swear to God, that whip leave holy. Shorty said she fell in love with me. I said, no, you ain't, girl. It's a hype thing, oh please. And Shorty said she wanna have sex. I ain't feeling that yet, but I want you on your knees. I see my cousin cop a Beamer. They turn me to a coke dreamer. Imagine what I'd do if I had $1 million. These niggas would camouflage like a chameleon. But me, I'd rather build up my team. Make sure they be all holding green. Real nigga to the soul, something that you can't beat. Flow burning like coal, waist feeling like heat. Girl, tell me why you think you love me. Is it cause all your friends do too? Is it cause I'm so different from them? You can tell by my attitude and how I move. I call it me, but you call it rude. Streets get sticky like gum on your shoes. These hoes dumb how they don't have a clue. No Big Sean, I ain't fucking with you. Niggas talk hard, but they fold like Max. No Apple, but she wanna touch eye. She said, Cass, you rude, then she give me cut eye. Heard that I had the loud, so she wanna come fly. Flying round with that thing in my lap, I'm flying. Never get jet lag, stop lying. Oh my God, my damn, I'm riding. But only for my fam who's riding. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now them niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now the niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me. Swear to God, I'ma blow. Swear to God, if I don't get rich off rap, it's snow. You should snow that. Shout out to my nigga Snow that. Fiend still sniffing for the work like Snorlax. I'm ballin', no back. Hit him with the D-Wave, there is y'all throwback. Step over niggas. I'm so official and you just a leftovers nigga. Just cause you see my YouTube videos doesn't mean you know me, you silly hoe. Late nights OT tryna break down O's. Cross niggas out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of niggas hating on me, I know. A lot of niggas talking to the 5-0. I just can't do it, nigga, I can't go. And if that's how you rollin', then I can't roll. Pay a rap for a verse or a rap for a show. Pick your choice long as I'm getting dough. A young nigga too high to handle. I can never snitch, my name ain't Randall. 40 cal pray, it ain't miss, will it jam though. In the hood, we got guns, we be like Rambo. Okay, you got a gun, do it, got ammo. No Louis, but the gun hold up the pants though. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now them niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me. Ever since a nigga got a name, that girl wanna act like she know me. Now she wanna hang with my gang. Now the niggas wanna act like they know me. Little niggas stay in your lane. Fall back, you don't know me. Niggas stop talking my name. Fall back, you don't know me.
Avec toi je prends du recul mais j'avance tout seul. Traverser du désert comme un Sandtrooper. Ta conscience est teintée d'une absente couleur. Frangin j'écoute mes rêves comme agent Cooper. J'ai du mal à pleurer, je me sens comme le Shift. Tout comme Peter et Paul, je mène une drôle de vie. En vrai j'ai plus de cœur qu'un Aztec Cupid. Je connais mes objectifs comme Stanley Kubrick. J'arrive dans la maison comme un valet mais je ne m'incline pas devant le trône de fer. L'un parle depuis les gradins mais dans la fosse se tait. Ma présence t'invite à penser comme un Cronenberg. Tu m'as nommé Sensei, dans le tort j'excelle. Je me sens comme un eunuque, j'arrive dans le bordel zen. Je tombe amoureux d'elle dans l'instant qu'elle est morte, quelle scène. Je suis dans une histoire de violence Viggo Mortensen. Billy n'attend pas que tu le pardonnes. Fais une crois à côté de mon nom comme Malcolm. L'équilibre ne me convient pas mon ami, je me suis maintenu dans le vide comme un falcon. Évidemment que j'adore ma peine, je fais des conneries dans un motel à la Norman Bates. Évidemment que la mort m'apaise, mais ce n'est pas sous le masque blanc hors chaque plaie. J'arrive brutalement comme un coup d'état, j'apporte une limpidité comme le trou des balles. J'aime une paire de seins, j'aime un poulet time, mais je comprends tous les points de vue comme un bullet time. J'ai développé le Kaioken, je mets deux doigts sur mon front, je disparais. T'as pas plus de vertu qu'une cigarette, je vois le nombre 23 comme Jim Carrey. Yeah. Ces rappeurs sont très bons dans la paraphrase. J'ai très peu d'émotions, Docteur Manhattan. Je ne t'aurais vu que sous mes pieds comme un tapis, enfermé dans la prison que j'ai bâtie. Je ne dors que d'un œil comme Kakashi. La matrice est la matrice, ma catharsis. Parlons de la victoire de Macbeth. Je suis venu tout baiser comme un jeune primate. Faiblesse dans leur technique, à la Tenshinhan. Bipolarité simulée comme dans Peur Primal. T'es comme une carte piège, t'es pas vraiment d'attaque. Si je te tire dessus, c'est pour tuer l'ennui. Un jour je t'aime, un jour plus très envie. Je fais tout sur un coup de tête comme Jason Statham. Piégé dans ma conscience, je transfère l'image que ma rétine bloque. Migraine, aura visuelle, je connais les vertiges d'Alfred Hitchcock. Oiseau dans le piège, ta meuf est un hobbit. J'ai mis l'anneau dans le verre, j'ai pas les filles sur terre. J'ai mon château dans le ciel, tu rêves de tomber sur le roi, deviens cartomancienne. Hold up, j'ai pas le temps, je pose l'iPhone. J'évolue sans prévenir comme le taux d'alcool. Je pourrais te dire que je suis le meilleur que ma prostate somme, mais j'ai plus d'un tour dans mon sac à la Doraemon. Mets les oiseaux dans le piège, mets les oiseaux dans le piège. Tous les oiseaux dans le piège, mets les oiseaux dans le piège.